Yo toujou di pou entre nan kè yon moun fò pase pa vant li. Je di a Marim a fè sa pendant la montren fè yon bel plat spaghetti ak aransò ki delisye et rapide. La petite spaghetti sa ki rele angel hair. They say the way to a person's heart is through their stomach. Today my husband is doing that while showing us his effortless Haitian spaghetti with smoked herring and hot dog. Attention, angel hair même jan ak spaghetti itala si ou sonjel. Li gou mel ka gate fasil. Si ou mette trop d'lo, lap vin tout pat nan men ou. Alors rete la pou n'kapab wè jan Marim fel et pou moutre nou koman sa a toujou soti bien à chaque fois. Now be careful. Angel hair is delicious because it's delicate but it's high stakes. One splash too much water and you got a soggy mess. Stick around to see exactly how it gets that perfect dry finish every single time. Pour faire spaghetti, n'a besoin hot dog, aransò, épices, pâte tomate, l'huile, Maggi, poudre adobo, et puis spaghetti qui c'est angel hair. To make our spaghetti, we're gonna need hot dogs, smoked herring, tomato paste, our homemade seasoning, oil, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, and of course the angel hair. Comme note wè deja, nap rache hot dog yo, trempe aransò nan d'lo pou desale yo, apre ou fin rinse ak rache yo, se le pou n'komanse fri. Dice the hot dogs and soak that smoked herring to pull out the excess salt. Once it's rinsed and shredded, it's time for the sizzle. Free hot dog yo apre lage aransò. Fry those hot dogs in a bit of oil first, then toss in the herring. Kounyan pral jwen bom save ya. Nap lagon bel kiye epis, Maggi, poudre adobo, ti poudre sa, et puis pâte tomate. Kontinye boise. Ouvre save yo grillé, pas brûlé. Next comes the flavor bomb. We're adding a generous scoop of épices, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, adobo, and tomato paste. Keep it moving. Come on, you want those flavors to toast, not burn. Après ça, n'a ajouté de l'eau, n'a quitté le fond bouilli et puis lage spaghetti. Ou supposé ouais spaghetti tout petit parler. Quitter le bouilli juste de l'eau à évaporer. Add your water and let it reach a rolling boil. Now drop in that angel hair. You're supposed to see some of the spaghetti on top. We're letting this boil until the water is completely evaporated. C'est comme ça ou fait spaghetti délicieux ça, bien rapide. Essayez faire comme ça et puis wa bon résultat. And just like that, effortless, delicious and done in a flash. Try making yours like this and let me know. Pas oublier like, subscribe et puis dis-moi dans commentaire comment vous aimez spaghetti. À la prochaine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tell us in the comments. How do you like your spaghetti? See you on the next one.